Windows 10 support is ending in 2025. But what if I told you there's a way to keep getting security updates for free all the way to 2030? Microsoft has officially announced that Windows 10 support will end on 14th October 2025. That means no more security updates, leaving millions of users potentially exposed to new threats. But there's good news. A company called 0Patch is stepping in to keep Windows 10 protected. 0Patch, developed by Acros Security, provides tiny security patches called micropatches for known vulnerabilities. These patches are small, quick to install, and don't even require a system reboot. And now, 0Patch has announced that it will support Windows 10 until 2030 completely free for non-commercial users. That's right, free updates for Windows 10 for 5 more years after Microsoft stops supporting it. This is ideal for home users who want to keep using Windows 10 securely without being forced to upgrade. For businesses or commercial users, 0Patch also offers paid plans with more features and centralized management. Using 0Patch is simple. Just download the 0Patch agent, register for an account, and you are set. Once it's running, your system gets real-time micropatches for known vulnerabilities fast and silently. So, if you are not ready to move on from Windows 10, now you don't have to. Thanks to 0Patch, your system can stay protected all the way to 2030. Stay safe, stay updated, and stay in control.